Assalamualaikum, saya Nuraisha binti Ismail. Nombor pendaftaran 34 DDT 19F1018. Kami akan membentangkan laporan PPT 2. Introduction. Saya dan Siti Nur Ashikin are a final year student in Polytechnic Besar Terengganu. We are doing the internship in ABC company. We supervisor give us a task which is to build an app for the company. The app is a coronavirus detection app for the immigrant worker and will be developed the apps using Android Studio. The idea is that such digital contact tracing will identify people potentially exposed to the coronavirus who should self-isolate and that they will voluntarily do so, but so far we only have epidemiological models to suggest such app can help control an epidemic. Skip worry the app will amount to a high-tech distraction, and even some advocates say they will only as strong as a health system ability to follow up with native users, test them and offer support during quarantine. Table layout. In Android, table layout is used to arrange the group of view into rows and columns. Table layout containers do not display a borderline for their columns, row or cell. A table will have as many columns as the row with the most cells. A table can also leave the cell empty, but cells can span the column as they can in HTML hypertext markup language. Important point about table layout in Android. For building a row in a table, we will use the table row element. Table row objects are the child view of a table layout. Each row of the table has 0 or more cells, and each cell can hold only one view object like image view, text view, or any other view. Total width a table is defined by its parent container. Column can be both sketchable and shrinkable. If shrinkable, then the width of column can be shrunk to fit the table into its parent object, and if stretchable, then it can expand it in width to fit any extra space available. Text view. A text view displays text to the user and optionally allow them to edit it. A text view is a complete text editor, however, the basic class is configured to not allow editing. Following are the important attributes related to text view control. You can check Android official documentation for complete list of attributes and relay method which you can use to change this attribute at runtime.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Siti Nur Ashikin binti Ahmad, nombor metrik 34 DDT F1024. Button Android. In Android, button represents a push button. A push button can be clicked or pressed by the user to perform an action. There are different types of buttons used in Android, such as compound button, toggle button, radio button. Button is subclass of text view plus, and compound button is the subclass of button class. On a button, we can perform different actions or events like click event, press event, touch event, and example. Android buttons are GUI components which are suitable to tap by the user. When the user tap or click on button in Android app, the app can respond to the click. This button can be divided into categories. The first is button with text on, and record is button with image on. A button with image can contain both an image and a text, and button with image on are also called image button. This is interface drive. This image refers to the home page of the COVID tracker interface, and information collected include your name, phone number, and location. Our personal data will only be collected with your permission and is to be secretary provided by you. This is output. Conclusion: your app user interface is everything that user can see and interact with. Android provides a variety of preferred UL components such as structure, layer, object, and UL control that allow you to build the graphical user interface for your app. Android also provides other UI models for special interfaces such as dialog, notification, and menus. The addition service interface layer (SIL) and data abstraction layer, in addition to the traditional presentation user interface. Business logic and data layer will provide the right level of abstraction to allow one to adapt to whatever platform, client, or service they come out in the future. The ability of the SIL and the DAL provide one apps and service with the ability to connect the whatever device to work can come out with and to expand their business and business model.